In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Swissquote. So the first thing you have to do is you want to go to our top picks over here, click on the advanced filter, and you can go to crypto, and in here you'll be able to find Bitcoin USD. So you can pop this up on the chart over here, and it's going to appear like this over here. You can do your technical analysis or whatever you want to do with it, and then you can just click on either of these two buttons up top. It's going to pop up the new order window. Here you can see it's going to say BTC USD, which is Bitcoin USD. And then you can just go ahead and select how much you would actually like to buy. So here you can select the amount, and then down here you could also click on sell or buy, and then set your take profits and stop losses or a trailing stop if you want to. And then of course you could also do an advanced order where you have a bit more freedom of customizing your order. After that, click on either place buy or place sell order, and then you're good to go. You've successfully bought Bitcoin. So that's how we do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.